back to my channel, and if you didn't subscribe to my channel yet, please do like, share and subscribe. And today I would like to show you another kurti. This is like a complete cotton kurti, and it's like yellow with pink and green color combination. And if you see at the top, you see the hands with frills, and the neck is like that. So basically the neck here is like they gave two ropes kind of thing where you can tie it, and so basically it's like up to neck. And this is the same dress that I wore in my profile picture, and I love this dress, and I did wash this actually, and nothing happened. The cotton is also good. This kurti I have selected 3 dupattas, so let's move on to the dupattas. So the first one I chose here is this dupatta, which I have shared already with you guys. Like I mentioned, my aunt gave me this as a gift, and I love this dupatta. And like I mentioned, always always try to buy very long dupatta so that that it will give like additional touch to your entire outfit. Even though it has white color in here, the yellow and pink combination flower model here is like almost matching to this one, so that's the reason I have chosen this. Let me know what you all think. So this is the first one, and look at how well this is matching. Then now let's move on to the second dupatta. So the second dupatta I chose for this dress is this one, and I did wear this couple of times. And the reason why I chose this one is like usually when you are matching it with the same color combination, because I'm trying to get the same color combination here, and I don't want to put both the darker colors, so that's why I chose like a very light or subtle color here, whereas this one is like little darker tone. That's the reason I have selected this. The third one that I have chosen for this one is like if you see the combinations here, it's with green and pink, and again our top is almost green and pink. Like I always mention, it don't have to be the same colors like we have in the kurti. And also the main reason that I chose this is like green here is the same thread combination color at the top, and also even though we have a lot of yellow here, the pink and green is the main dress point here, so that's why I've chose this. And this one is also very well matching, and also if you see, these stones are like little matching to the same stones here. Now let's move on to the jewelry. I have kept the dupattas aside here, and if you notice, each one is giving a different look to this entire outfit. And like I always mention, always make sure to save your dupatta. So this one is like a very old dress that I got, and then this one is like a almost new one, and also that one is new. But look at, like, I can match it to more than one kurti, and I'm sure if you look into your closet, we can match every kurti or every dupatta to more than one matching ones. So that's the reason I love to select all these kinds of dupattas. And then that is also my channel goal, where with like existing clothes you can rearrange, and then you can style it in a different style. I hope you like my videos. If you do, please do give a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's move on to the selected. The first earrings are these, and then these are the ones that I have wore in the profile picture as well. These ones very well match to this, and if you see, I'm sure I have shared these with you guys already. And then the second ones that I've selected, gold color combination here, because even though we don't have to exactly match to the yellow, but this color tone is like a perfect match to this, so that is why I chose these. These are my second earrings. And then the third earrings, these are the earrings that I made, and I have already shared these earrings in my previous videos. So these are the third earrings. So the combination here is yellow and green. It's okay if we don't have pink, you don't have to be perfect match. And then the fourth earrings that I've selected are these. These are like, my friend gave me these as a gift, as she knows that I love earrings, and I did not wear these yet, and this is my fourth set. And then the fifth earrings that I've selected, this, which I have already shown this to you, and look at how well these are matching. Now let's move on to the bangles. The first bangle that I've selected here is this bracelet kind of thing. Actually, this is like a bangle kind bracelet, so you have to open it here. So this is the first one that I've selected. Then the second one is this one. Very good match to this, so that's the reason I have selected this. And then the third one, my all-time favorite, which my sister gave it to me. So this is the third one. And if you see, if you notice, like I showed this to my blue saree as well, it will match to any saree. or it can match to any dress, because the combinations, the color combinations here can go very well with any dress. So friends, this is also another tip. If you see something like this, make sure to buy it, because definitely it can match to any outfit. And then also this one is also like the same kind, but I love this one because it got all the elephants design and everything. But still, this one is like a very simple touch. And then also here it has like a lot of color combinations. So these are the 4 bangles that I've selected. I would like to go for all the tops. Usually I like to go only with 1 bangle, not with a set. So that's why I'm showing only the single bangles here. And then also here I'm showing a watch. This is one of my favorites. So this is the watch. You can wear this watch as well. It goes very good. Dials. Make sure you wear a simple bracelet at front of the watch or at the back of the watch. So this gives an additional touch, and it makes the dial look smaller. And also like this is an additional touch. Nowadays this is the trend going. So this one is like actually a rose gold one. So that's why I try to match with this. And again, I bought this when I bought this watch. So that's why I always try to wear it whenever I wear that watch. So that is another. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please do give a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Shilpa signing off. Have a good one everyone. Bye.